everybody to see us in the Bahamas. Say hi, Kiani. Say hi to everybody in the Bahamas. We love you. Buddy, say what's up to everybody in Nassau. And that's his daughter, Azora, and Aziba. Buddy's two little girls. And she's sending everybody a shout out in Nassau. And this is Darlene's daughter. This is Kiani Dupont. Say hello again. Yes, she does. This is us. Easter Sunday, Easter dinner. Super shout out to everybody. Love you all. Holla.